that your garlic bread?
Yep, garlic bread. Yummy. Merry Christmas Eve.
All right, so what do you think? Yeah?
Really, really good. It's pasta with seafood and your homemade sauce. I think that's pretty cool. It's the day before Christmas and all through the RV, the critters are stirring. Lucy and Dazzy are playing with each other. Mike's family always celebrated Christmas Eve. My family always celebrated Christmas, so we combine them and we celebrate both days. And that's the garlic. Put olive oil on and just stick it in the microwave. Or the toaster oven. Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
Keep an eye on smoke.
Yeah. Dazzy, leave the tree alone. Who, me? I wasn't touching the tree. I was just sniffing it. And there's always something underneath the sink that could be eaten. And Dazzy's gonna sample it out. With this look, it's probably garlic. That could be ugly. I don't know, he's still looking. I don't know. Was that garlic? Was that garlic you just ate? Lucy just came out to see what Dazzy's up to. Chef Mike is creating his famous pasta sauce from scratch. This is a Christmas Eve tradition in his family. Oh, wow.
And then with a little butter and oil.
Oh, yummy. It smells so good.
I got all my spices in there.
Okay.
I use some tomato to give it a little different taste
Okay, cool.
than normal. And normally I put a little cayenne in here, but you don't like it that hot. We'll put a little bit in. We'll see what it tastes like in a couple hours from now.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Just a nice bite to it.
Mm-hmm.
And what I'll do is I'll just put it on the slow cooker for between 4 and 6 hours.
4 and 6 hours, okay.
And just let it simmer at a very low heat.
Yeah.
And I'll put it on between 12 and 1.
Okay.
So all I'll have to do is plug it in and set the slow cooker, set my temperature, probably around 150, 200 degrees.
And
let
yum.
it cook for 4 hours.
All right.
I'll put the fish in.
Yeah.
I'll put both sides in. And hopefully for 2 people, we have enough to feed 7. So I don't know how much, I have a lot left over.
Hey, so
I'm used to making this for my family.
I know.
And I got 7 brothers and sisters and
Mom and Dad.
13 nephews and nieces.
That's right. Yeah. And now they all have kids too.
There you go.
Taste. You taste.
Let's be.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. That's good.
So just let it set until I'm ready to
Yum. That's when you need smell-o-vision. Oh yeah.
So I'm ready for that.
Yum. And Lucy's still eyeing the tree. She's wondering if we're watching her. She's also watching the birdies. You know, you're gonna pretend not to look at the tree. Yeah, you're gonna look at everything else but the tree. She's still swinging. Says, I don't want to be kissed. Yeah. It's a pretty day out. Looks gorgeous. We could go to the store and get some last minute items that we thought we bought, but we can't find. And then later, I'm actually going to go see my cousin who actually lives out here in Fort Davis. And it turns out one of my other cousins came out to visit her. they both have kids in this general area, so I don't know if anybody's got to actually get together for Christmas or not. But I'll find out when I get there. Supposedly we're going to be baking, but I don't know. We could be just talking. I don't know. He's trying to catch up, so we haven't seen each other in a few years. So this should be exciting. So we'll see. Right, Lucy? You don't care. Meanwhile, Mike's making homemade pasta sauce, and he's making roasted garlic. We're going to go into town and see if we can get some rolls, because I don't really want to make bread here, since it says that we have about half a tank of propane, and we couldn't get propane at that love station because they ran out. So that's a whole other story for another day. Okay, off to see my cousin Laurelyn. My cousin Allison's supposed to be there too, and her husband Larry. They came out. So let's see what today will bring. Mike's back making his sauce, so I've got to be back by 6. Okay, I am now on a dirt road, but I'm not surprised because I was out here about 12 years ago, and most of these roads were dirt then too. I'm driving right along here. It's perfectly straight, but it's a dirt road. Laurelyn said she was going to meet me at some sort of winery or something on the corner of one of these streets, but I don't know. Not sure. Okay, I just passed her on the road. She's got to go turn around now. Well, that was really lots of fun. Got to see both my cousins, Lynn and Allison. Got to see Allison's husband, Larry. I've known her for quite a while, but it's great to see her. We haven't seen each other for a few years. It's funny how time just flies right by, and all of a sudden you're like, oh my God, when was the last time I saw you? So it was so worth it. Beautiful country out here. You've got these big open areas, big plains, and then you've got these huge mountains, which you can sort of see behind me. It's really, really pretty. Chef Mike is creating our Christmas Eve dinner. All right, there it is. Look at that. Doesn't that look yum? Cool. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, when the cheese is real on that. Yum. We brought our good dishes for all our holiday dinners. Step in zone, yeah, all those smells are probably knocking here. Nose for a loop. Oh, I got to sample one. Whew. Have my Julius Beezer. Oh, it was good.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
Here you go. I'm sorry. Good garlic taste?
Good garlic.
Okay, good.
Really good. You see over by the Christmas tree? Did it rub against the Christmas tree? Yeah, I see you rubbing against the Christmas tree. Stop that. The Christmas dinner is about to come. He smells all this good stuff. The seafood and the sauce. Lucy, you're gonna knock it over. No. No rubbing against the tree. No, no, you're not funny.
Don't need 2 minutes.
Okay.
And then 23 minutes before this
Oh, really?
shuts off.
Okay. That looks good. It smells good, actually.
That smells good.
Garlic, tomato, yummy, yummy, yummy. And then we have Miss Lucy holding court.
Living on an RV.
Yes. And small kitchen space in an RV. Yep, exactly.
The latches is the biggest I've ever had, so.
I know. The horse trailer is smaller. And a little pasta. And then we have the sauce that we put the seafood into. Absolutely delicious. Parmesan cheese. Woohoo!
Let's go.
Doesn't that look good?
You got your garlic bread?
Yep, garlic bread. Yummy. Merry Christmas Eve.
All right, so what do you think? Yeah.
Really, really good. It's pasta with seafood and your homemade sauce. I think that's pretty cool. Christmas morning in the Davis Mountains. The kittens are fascinated with all the boxes. There's boxes everywhere and toys to play with, as far as he's concerned. Yeah. Right? Are you hiding? It's probably warm in there. Okay. Yeah, let's see the big one first. Let's go for the big one. Oh, yes. Let's start before yours.
What are you doing in the bag? What you doing in the bag?
Playing. You're playing too. We're trying to set up the printer and the kittens are going to help. Lucy thinks
Sending
it's more
information to the
interesting.
printer. Please wait. Get out of there.
Watching kittens play is hysterical.
For safety, closing the scanning unit is a two-step process. Up and then down.
I can get you.
Allow.
Oh, okay. It's like the highlight of their day.
What are you doing? Not getting by me. Whoever's in there, I'm getting when he comes out. That's fine. Get it ready in case that's me.
Yes, Lucy. What she sees is something pretty cool, though. We also got a water filter system for the RV. Just you're helping. No, you're not helping. Let's see if you're gonna climb in there. I don't think you fit. You're too big now. You gonna help me anyway? Yes. We put some water in this, filled it up to the top of the filters. Let's see what happens. It's blueberry pancake time. Yay! Here's little Lucy. It's only 29 degrees out. It's just a little nippy. That looks pretty. Look at that. That looks pretty. Desi, you're gonna help me? Why is that nose getting a little close? Don't care. No. Yeah. Look at you. You were so bad. Oh look, the sun finally came out. Woohoo! Look at that. Hey, Mike just took Enzo for a walk. It's still pretty darn cold. Merry Christmas, everybody. Probably by the time I get this out on YouTube, it'll be a few months later, as I'm so far behind. But hey, it is what it is. I got a new printer. Yes, there's chocolate sitting on top of the printer. Yeah. I only had 2 last night. It was really good. The little tree's unplugged right now because we have all our plugs used for the 2 laptops. And I don't know, there's something else that's plugged in here. And I don't know, the kittens are watching something. That look pretty interesting. Hi, Desi. Those pretty nose. I see blue sky. It's gonna get warmer. Both our kitties are watching Mike set up the Blackstone so we can grill our steaks that we bought at Belleville Meat Market before we left on this trip. Yummy. You don't want to do any more mountains. Yeah, you know, those are tough. They're tough ones. My family's Christmas tradition was to have a turkey, but there's no room in an RV for a turkey, so we had to come up with a different plan. Last year, we came up with turkey breast, and that worked out pretty well. And a year before that, we came up with a vegan dish. That turned out really well, too. This year, we happened to see these steaks, and they just looked so amazing. We said, let's have these for Christmas. Oh, that's nice, yep. I said it looks good.
Nothing else.
Yeah.
It'll either be medium rare, medium, or well done.
Oh, I see. We don't know for sure.
I have no idea if that thermometer is working.
Oh well, we'll find out, won't we?
Series, please set the timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, counting down.
Thank you.
Don't mention it.
What temp are you looking for?
135.
Yeah, we don't like them well done. We like them practically mooing. And Enzo's like, what's that smell? What's that smell? Does that smell good? Yeah. Veggies, mushrooms, and onions. Cool. Oh, that's right, we have baked potato too. I forgot about that.
For veggies.
No room for the veggies. Mushrooms and onions for the steaks. We'll just put it on the table. Okay. This is Christmas Day dinner. Veggies for later. We have mead from our favorite place. Really good. It's Christmas Day. We have my mead. Rudy's running around like a berserk maniac. He's got the zoomies, and he's one of our older kitties, so usually he doesn't do that. He just attacked Desi, who's whip up in his tail. He's actually underneath the table. Of course, now he's not doing it. What else is new? There he goes again. Crazy kitty. And on that note, good night all. On our next episode, we check out and explore the Chihuahuan Desert Nature Park. What a cool place. So come join us on our next adventure. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see what we're up to next. Ring the notification bell to tune into our next episode, which is usually put out every Saturday morning. Please leave a comment too. We hope we are giving you all some good ideas of places to explore. Have a good one.